Have you ever walked into a space so cluttered that you felt overwhelmed just by looking at it? What if that space was your home? Today we're diving into a sensitive but important topic, helping a hoarder reclaim their space and life. Living with hoarding disorder can be incredibly challenging, both for the individual and their loved ones. But there is hope, and today, we'll walk through practical steps to help a hoarder begin their journey toward a cleaner, more organized life. Stay with us till the end, and you'll learn not just the how, but also the why behind effective decluttering, and how to support someone through this difficult process with compassion and respect. Step 1. Understanding hoarding disorder. First, it's crucial to understand what hoarding disorder is. It's a mental health condition characterized by persistent difficulty discarding or parting with possessions, regardless of their actual value. This leads to clutter that disrupts living spaces and can cause significant distress or impairment. Hoarding is often linked to anxiety and depression. It's not just about stuff, it's about deep emotional attachments and fears. Effective support requires understanding these underlying issues. With this understanding, we can approach the situation with empathy rather than judgment. Step 2. Building trust and open communication. Open communication is key. Talk to your loved one without accusations or pressure. Express your concerns and listen to their feelings. Step 3. Setting realistic goals. Next, set small, achievable goals. Start with one room or even one part of a room. Celebrating small victories can motivate continued progress. Step 4. Sorting items. Use the 4-box method. Keep, donate, sell, and trash. This helps to make decisions more structured and less overwhelming. Step 5. Professional help and support networks. Sometimes, professional help is necessary. Therapists, professional organizers, and support groups can provide the expertise and emotional support needed. Connecting with others who understand their struggle can make a significant difference. Step 6. Establishing routines and maintenance. Establishing new habits is crucial. Create daily and weekly routines to maintain the progress made. Consistency is key. Step 7. Positive reinforcement and patience. Positive reinforcement is powerful. Celebrate milestones and be patient. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 8. Creating a supportive environment. Ensure there's a support system in place. Family and friends can help maintain the momentum and provide ongoing encouragement. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on organizing and transforming your home. And remember, with patience, empathy, and the right strategies, positive change is possible. See you next time.